In this video clip, we are going to analyze the procedure to remove the piston rings, the procedure to clean the grooves on the piston, and the procedure to put back the piston rings on the piston. We are going to learn the procedure to use the appropriate tools to clean and the tools to open and close the piston rings. This is the video clip. We are going to analyze the procedure to install the piston rings on the piston and remove the piston rings. Okay, this is the tool. This is the appropriate tool. The tool enter in the gap of the piston ring and open. Be careful because you need to open exactly the amount necessary to remove the piston ring. If you open more, you break the piston ring. One hand, one finger in one end, and the other hand with the tool in the other end. You open exactly the necessary amount to remove the piston ring. Exactly. One hand in one end and the other one with the tool. And I recommend put the piston rings in the same order. This is the second one, compression rings. Be careful with the position of the piston rings. That dot should be facing up in both compression rings. And the oil controller ring should be removed with your hands. It's a sandwich, two small things, one on top, other one in the bottom. Correct, with your hands carefully. This is easy to break. And the sandwich in the middle, the serpentine or a spring in some cases. It's a sandwich, exactly like this. At the end, when you put back the oil controller ring and the groove is clean, you need to verify that this sandwich enter and fill completely the groove on the piston. Correct, this is the procedure. Okay, we are going to use the tool. The tool have a different elements according with the diameter of the groove. You can rotate this one and select the appropriate cutting tool, the appropriate blade to clean this groove. Alright, and now you clean the groove, you remove the carbon deposits, you eliminate those carbon deposits. After that, you blow with air at high pressure and you verify with the new ring if the ring enter completely. With your finger you verify that the piston ring enter completely. And now we are going to verify the dot. This is the dot. The dot should be facing up. Okay, and we are going to use the tool to open the rings a little. To open the rings a little, one finger in one side only to locate the piston ring on the groove, and the other end the tool. Exactly. And now you close with your fingers and you verify that the piston ring closed completely. Exactly, that's the procedure. That's the procedure. You verify that the piston ring closed completely. Perfect. And now we are going to check the tolerance, the lateral tolerance in between the piston ring and the piston. This is the process. We are going to use the feeler gauge, and with the feeler gauge we are going to check the tolerance in both sides of the piston ring, in between the piston ring and the groove. Correct? We check the tolerance according with the service manual. That tolerance is according with the service manual, and we verify that the tolerance is appropriate in both sides of the piston ring. And now we are going to use the tool to compress the piston rings in order to introduce the piston on the block. When you use the tool to compress the piston rings, you compress the piston rings with the tool, and now you can verify with your fingers that all the piston rings are completely closed. You pass your finger and you verify that all of them are flat with the piston. And now the piston is ready to be installed on the block.